So from the deliver page in Davinci Resolve, what you can also do is directly upload out into different internet accounts. So over here you can see that there's Dropbox, Twitter, Vimeo, and like YouTube as an option, as you can see right here, and various other software product options as well. But I'm just going to go around and choose one of my internet accounts right here. So I'm going to go around and click on YouTube. So once I do that, I can go around and choose a name right here for my project. So I'm just going to go around and say example upload right here. So over here right now you can see that this is the file name, and the location that this file is going to be saved in is in the desktop right now. But what I can do is I can upload directly to YouTube, and once I do that, what happens is that I can add in a title of the video right here. So I'm just going to go around and say example upload from Davinci Resolve right here, just like this, and then you can add in a description over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and say this is an example project upload over here, just like this. Once I do that, you can also add in chapters from the marker right here, but I'm just going to avoid that and keep the visibility as private. And over here in category, you can see that there's different option. So I'm just going to go around and click on education right here, and then click on add to render queue. Once I do that, you can see that this is what we have now. So I'm just going to go around and delete off the first job that I have because I don't need that anymore. So in order to directly upload it into an internet account, what you need to make sure first is that your internet account of choice is connected. So to do that, you need to go around onto preferences from the Davinci Resolve option right here, and here you can see that you can sign in onto various internet accounts. So for example, I'm just going to go around and click on the sign in button right here in order to sign in onto my YouTube account and link my YouTube account with Davinci Resolve. So let me just go around and click right here. And once I do that, what happens is that as long as I have signed in onto my Google account, you can see that it opens up this page. So you can go around and let Davinci Resolve manage your YouTube videos. So this is the permission that you need to give, and these are the compulsory permissions that you have to give as well. So Davinci is a trustworthy software, so I'm just going to go around and click on continue right here. And once I do that, what happens is that it says Davinci Resolve setup connected successfully, and please close the window, as it says right here. So if I were to close it, now you can see that I am signed in as tututubechannel@gmail.com right here. So let me just go around, click on save, and now what I'm going to do in render queue is render all. So once I do that, what happens is that it starts rendering, as you can see, just like this. So it is starting to render out the video right here. And you can see that I've selected all of the video portions so that it is rendering everything out right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the part where it has completed rendering. And the rendering is almost complete now. As you can see, it is at 98%. And now what happens is that it goes around and starts uploading out the video right here. So you can see that the upload is complete, and now what happens is that the video is uploaded onto your YouTube account as well. So let's just go around and check our YouTube page right here and see the video that we uploaded from Davinci Resolve. So if I were to go around and check out my YouTube studio, then you can see that this is the video that we uploaded right here. So you can see that it was recently uploaded, so it is still processing right here. But this is the example upload from Davinci, and then now you can see that without having to go around onto YouTube Studio and then upload it manually, you can directly upload it out from Davinci Resolve software. So that is how you can upload directly to internet accounts, and the process of uploading in other accounts like Vimeo and Dropbox is the same as this one. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.